Which therapy is best for fracture management? The best fracture therapy is determined by elements that are unique to each individual. The kind, severity, and location of your fracture define the optimal treatment approach from the top fracture treatment doctor in Kolkata for you right now. Rehabilitation is a non-negotiable issue after your bone heals. Whether you underwent non-surgical or surgical fracture treatment, you begin a personalized physical therapy and rehabilitation regimen. Your muscles weaken and the region stiffens while your bone is immobile. Your therapy will address these issues by doing activities to rebuild muscular strength and range of motion. If you intend to return to sports or suffered a stress fracture, your rehabilitation will also involve activity-specific training. Take a break if you have a stress fracture. A stress fracture is an overuse injury caused by poor technique, a rapid increase in training intensity, and repeated actions. This sort of fracture starts as a little break in the bone that causes discomfort when you move. Without treatment, the crack might progress to a full-fledged fracture. Immobilization is critical. Once your bone has been corrected, the best therapy is to immobilize it so that the fragments stay in place while they heal. The type of immobilization you receive is determined by the severity of your fracture. You may require a plaster or fiberglass cast to hold the damaged part in place. Others might be able to wear a functioning cast or brace that allows for limited joint movement. Serious fractures necessitate the use of specialist hardware to keep all bone pieces immobilized. Doctors implant the devices using either internal or exterior fixation. Internal fixation is a surgical operation in which your bones are repositioned and then held together by metal plates, screws, or rod introduced into the bone's core. Pins are inserted into the bones on both sides of the break during an external fixation technique. The pins are then connected to a bar on the outside of your body, called an external fixator, which stabilizes the bones. Call the best osteoporosis surgeon in the field or arrange an appointment online if you require expert care for any form of fracture.